Hey everybody, my name is John DePietro and I'm anything but a handyman and do-it-yourselfer when it comes to our 2008 Navion. And recently, this is a 2008 as I said, so what's that make it, 14 years old, I had an issue with a piece of my refrigerator door breaking, this part right here. Okay, and I went online and actually I posted on this group right here. I had several people give me options. One person said you got to replace the whole door. Another person said just buy this piece. So I looked at the lower priced option first, which was getting a replacement hinge from Norcold for $30. And actually tried it myself. I got some JB Weld, put it together, and for the first time ever, I'm so proud to say I have fixed something myself. And I needed one screwdriver to put this screw back in. So now the door opens freely and the replacement hinge is on there. I may put the other one on the top as well, but for right now, I just want to say thank you, and thank you to my friend in New Jersey who helped me install, and actually he installed the whole TV, Bob. But anyway, special thanks. I'm so excited. I've never attempted anything on my own before, but we got it. And if you've got that issue, you need the N6, N8 door hinge retrofit. It was about $32 from Amazon. So that's the scoop. It looks like it's a very common mistake, and I'm so pleased to have been able to complete it myself. So thanks so much, everybody. The value of this group is incalculable. There's a word for you. Have a great day.